Hey guys, today I'll discuss about how can we make this very beautiful TikTok game board using Python turtle programming. So, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Hope you will enjoy this video. So, let's start the coding. So, if you want to make this TikTok game board using turtle, firstly you have to import turtle module. So, then you have to set a scale where you want to design the board. For this, sim is equal to turtle dot skin function, and then you have to define the instance of the turtle. For this, turtle dot turtle function, and then you have to define the color of the turtle. For this, you can write turtle.color, and here the color red, and then you have to set the weight of the turtle. Now turtle.weight, the weight is 4. Now you have to set the speed of the turtle. For this, turtle.speed, and I set 3. Now you have to make the outline of the board. For this, here the board outline is 4 sides, so I have to make a loop to draw the outline of 4 sides. For I in range 4, and then turtle dot forward 150, and then turtle dot left 90 degree. That's it. Then you have to inside line. For this, you have to up the pen, so pen up, and now you have to go to the 150 left side and pen down, and forward, so turtle dot forward 150. Now the same things. Now you have to draw another in line. So for this, turtle dot penup, and go to sorry, not 150, it is 50, and go to 0 and 100, and then pen down, and then forward, forward 150. Then we have to draw another line, inside line, and 2 inside line. So for this, turtle dot penup, and left 90 degree, turtle dot go to 150 and 0, and then turtle dot pendown and tutorial dot left 90° and tutorial dot forward. The last another line you have to draw tutorial dot pen off and then dot go to 100 and 0, and then tutorial dot pen down and then forward 150, and the last thing is hide the turtle when program is int. Hide turtle. So that is the program, and if we run this program, we will see the output. Here the output is, this is the turtle, and okay, that's fine. The program is worked successfully, and